Guys, there is something very different about these two equations right here than right there. That's where it's at. This is not a system of linear equations. Oh, this is a system, yes. And by the way, this is a candy question. This is a system. However, this is not a system of linear equations because of this x squared and this x squared. Next time, know how to do substitution and know how to graph a parabola. So what we are doing now is we are going to use substitution to solve the system of parabolas. This is all done algebraically. To solve the system of parabolas done algebraically. Okay, so this is something that is often frequently overlooked, and so I would like to stress to you, they are both equal to y. Y is by itself. So it might just be super duper easy to set the two equations equal to each other because they are both equal to y. That is using substitution. And I really like that here because a couple of reasons. Number one, the x squareds are going to cancel out. I love that. Like if I were to subtract x squared from both sides, it would just go away. So now what we are left with, it looks like it's going to be a little bit easier to solve, is something like this. Okay? And so I'm just going to solve this, subtract x. I know that looks like a 16, but it's a 10. So I'm going to subtract x, and this is going to give me 9x. I'm going to subtract 11. Oh, I hope you guys are okay if I do both of those steps in the same, like this cancels out, this cancels out. 7 minus 11 is, oh, finally, we've got a decent number. Finally! Whoop-whoop. We've got a decent number here. I've got x is equal to -2. Okay? X is equal to -2. All right. Now, these are two parabolas, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? That means that these are all of the types of things that could happen. Well, they could not touch at all. They could touch one time. They could touch 2 times. So there could be no solutions. There could be one solution. Or the third scenario would be there would be 2 solutions. Okay, 2 solutions. So these are all of the possible scenarios of things that could happen. So -2 squared is +4. -2 times -2 is +4. -2 times 10, that would be -20 plus 11. Oh, so that would be -16 plus 11. -16 plus 11 is -5. Okay, so that means I've got one solution, -2, -5. take this -2 and plug it into the other equation. We may end up with another point. We may end up with the exact same point. We don't know. But let's see. -2 times -2 is 4. 4 minus 2 minus 7. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 7 is -5. So check that out. -2, -5.
Now we're going to graph the parabola on Desmos.com and compare the two parabolas. As you can see, the two parabolas are intersecting at the point -2, -5. So upon comparison algebraically, the two graphs intersected at the point -2, -5, and we also confirmed this graphically as well.